The KHUN National Awakening Movement, KHNAM, on Monday had officially announced the name of its candidate for the 13 MAWRYNKNENG Assembly by-elections scheduled for the 30th of October this year. As a mark of honor, the president of the party, ADELBERT NONGRUM, had welcomed Erson Marwein by presenting the party's SASH to the candidate. After having served the people in his capacity, Erson Marwein informed that he initially had no intention of contesting the elections, but the persuasion of the public had prompted him to take up the task. He further stated that the previous government and the present NPP government have not been doing anything as far as development and welfare of the public are concerned. Marwein also praised the leadership of the party president, who has been doing all he could to take up issues that concern the welfare of the people of the state.
Nadu mengatrai ke masalang nadu senam arjar ar, te ngam supaya perkat iru dengan poi sekene ka jingmut perkat bang bangan nilai election. Mereka ikat thong jangan nadu manusia kalau mengan sakri beje ki, mau perdo persenam kamtam, nam taban kentiu ke yo kot kentiu ke masalang. Ten rei hakini ki arsenam shua haka jing trei kam ke jonga kibun mah ki perlok jonga bedai ki ba kinong ai mensim kam ke bangang trei tiki ong bali pim sim no igene ka kerdan ke ba mo kene kerdan ke ba kamaneng nama pila sakri kan ni post nem ka imlang salang bali pim sim igene ka we ba kerdan ke ba yele no ke election kan ba pin dio e ka bor pin nang la pan sakri khamba su ya ka jai ben rio ti halor ta nong rem ngam sim la ong ho em ru reng apan song nong rem bhai kata bat hadian kata how news nem arjar arpo tingla sim no ikarai da jing slok hayeng sem jing slok mo ye me pa ye lok te bat katu kat ni perlok jonga gi bejudan haka khalai MAWRYNKNENG constituency te makir ki agmen sem ki ong mang la dei hi ban mi skmat namarba ki kam jong pi menta kila mo kila bun ba kila trei te kermen makani ke jing ya jong pi sakmat hakane ka jing sim ya pi kane ka we pat ka kerdan kan long pat ka jing nong ka ba khambun su ke mlang salang